Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will see how to boot the Renesas RZ-G12 evaluation board from the eMMc. So let's get started by creating an image. So first we will go to our build directory from where we created the Yocto build. And then we will add the makefs utility to the image, which will help us in creating ext2, ext3 or ext4 file systems. And then we will build the image. You can build any of the images available, be it Western or minimal. So here I'm using core image minimal. As the image is now built, we will use the artifacts created from it to boot the evaluation board, like the artifacts from in here. Now we will change the mod to SCIF mod. And load the flash writer over it. So we will pick the flash writer pmix file here. Now run the sub command to increase the serial communication rate and change it from the settings as well so it can write the data a bit faster. Now we will run eMCSST command of flash writer to modify ext CST register of eMMc to enable the eMMc boot. It will now ask for ext CST register address, which is the one for the first address. And for modifying the second register, the address is B3, sorry. You can get these addresses from the reference manual of the evaluation kit. Then we will use em_w command to write two bootloader files on the eMMc of the board. So first we need to send the first stage bootloader file, which is the TFA, and it corresponds to the BL2 image. And in the same way, we need to send the FIP image, where the start address is 100 and program start address is 0. So now we have successfully written the BL2 and FIP image on the specified area of eMMc on the board. As done in the previous video where we booted the MPU from SD card, in the same way create two partitions in the SD card like I have here. So this partition contains the kernel and device tree, and the second partition is the rootfs. So once the partitions are set up, you will need to copy a kernel image, a device tree file and rootfs to the second partition of the microSD card at the home directory for the root user. This is the kernel image, and we will copy it in the home. And then we will unmount the SD card as it is ready now. Now we need to change the mode to eMMc and adjust switch 1 to eMMc mode. Insert the SD card into the carrier boot slot. And power up the board. Reset the board. Now the board will boot from the SD card as we have set the environment variables to boot from the SD card from the previous video. As it has now loaded, we will create partitions on the eMMc using fdisk command. So for new partition, we will use N. First sector would be default and the last sector would be of 500 megabytes. Now we will create second partition. It will be of primary type and partition number would be 2. First sector size would be default and it will use the rest of the size from the eMMc. So now we have created both partitions. We can see that in here. And now we will format the created partitions using makefs command that we installed in the Yocto image. In the same way, we will do that for partition 2. Now both partitions are formatted. So we will now write the kernel and device tree on the first partition. So we will mount the first partition. And copy the file that we have already copied in the SD through the SD card. And unmount the first partition. In the same way, we will copy rootfs on second partition. Now remove the card and reset the boot. And stop the boot in the U-boot, where we will set the environment variables to boot the board from eMMc. So here are the environment variables. The environment variables are now set. So reset the boot. As we have set the boot command and boot arguments, the boot is now booting from the eMMc completely. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.